In January of 2019, Humble ISD acquired a grant from FEMA to help install new floodgates that would protect Kingwood High School and its students.
Just that they know that there's something there to kind of stop anything to happen from Kingman High School. Because I know as a student now, with kind of nothing there, I always get a little bit worried when there's big rain events.
The grant will include waterproofing the brickwork to prevent water from seeping through cracks and many other protective measures. The project will cover all first floor exterior windows and doors, which will be activated by an underground pressure system.
So in the past, there have been some issues where storm sewers are overwhelmed. The lift station that we have is not able to keep up with pushing the water out. And so as a result of that, some of the water backs up through the drains inside the school. We saw that during Harvey, and we saw that again during Imelda. So we're putting backflow prevention systems in those drains, so as the water comes up, it's not allowed into the school.
The gates as shown in the demo video and renderings will rise up to 8 feet as needed to prevent water from entering the school. As construction continues through the school year, students will be kept up to date on any necessary changes. The importance of school safety has been highly expressed by our very own Dr. Nasra.
Any flood mitigation plans that we can put in place to support our school to create a level or decrease a level of anxiety for our students is important. Those floodgates are an example of ways that we could increase the security and the safety of our students and of this building, the physical building of our campus as a whole, especially during extreme weather events.
This has been Payton Brown, Mustang News.